all that is valuable in society depends upon the opportunity for development. At PVS Group, people know the value of development and how crucial it is to each and every client and consumer. With humble beginnings 25 years ago, PVS Group has only grown from strength to strength. And today, with a turnover of 200 crore, the company is considered a stalwart of the animal healthcare industry in India as well as internationally. PVS Group is a family-owned company headed by the dynamic Dr. Seshaya V. Pamulapatti, and they have taken their quality Indian animal healthcare products worldwide. Today, they are probably the only company who can manufacture the largest volume of products in a single day.
We have a pleasure to share with all of you that we have the India's largest manufacturing facility spread in 2.1 lakh square feet area, and we have a separate facilities for manufacturing of antibiotics, probiotics, disinfectants and feed supplements. Now, after establishing all these things, in 2020 onwards, our main target is to concentrate more on exports. We want to reach highest level, that's more than 100 crores in 2 to 3 years time. The same way, we want to capture the market of third-party manufacturing for mainly multinational companies. Many multinational companies from USA, Europe, Canada, from all those areas, they are selling their products in India. They don't have a production facilities here. So we want to capture that kind of companies to utilize our facilities for their manufacturing.
PVS Group has been providing quality healthcare products to farmers for the last 25 years. PVS Labs providing a variety of healthcare and feed-based products to the poultry, veterinary and aquaculture industry. PVS Group strives to maintain international standards in infrastructure and workforce. The manufacturing facilities of the PVS Group are accredited with CGMP, ISO 9001-2015 certifications and a strong commitment to quality. PVS Group has its own in-house research teams that are an essential part of the production process. The group also has a NABL standard laboratory and DSIR certified R&D facilities.
We are largest manufacturers of veterinary products like feed supplements, powders, oral suspensions, liquids and tablets. And we are having probiotics products manufacturing and antibiotics also. In coming days, we are going to expand the high volume products in tonnage.
At PVS Group, employees are valued and cherished. The company's 553 employees are considered an asset, and they are employed in various divisions of production, administration, accounts, marketing and sales. The PVS Group takes pride in employee retention, and most employees have been with the company for decades. PVS Group had very humble beginnings in 1993 when Dr. Pamulapatti ventured into diagnostics with the distribution of Indovax vaccines. In 1994, he established Anu Labs for Disease and Diagnostics, a first-of-its-kind diagnostic service for aquaculture and poultry in those days. In 1997, the PVS Group began manufacturing. This was followed by the establishment of their own office in Vietnam in 2006, as well as the beginning of exports to other foreign countries. And today, the PVS Group is one of the leading animal healthcare providers worldwide. It has established its business network in many Asian, African and European countries.
Our company main strength is manufacturing. Our manufacturing facility is occupied near about 2.1 lakh square feet area. and it was so meticulously built, keeping in view of the many MNCs and national companies who doesn't have the manufacturing facility in India, to provide very standard facilities so that they can produce their own brands in the way they want.
Truly a class apart. The PVS Group has won numerous distinctions since its inception. Today, PVS Group has collaborations with over 180 international clients and a presence across 30 countries with a solid export network. The PVS Group has a remarkable presence in Vietnam, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, South Korea, and so on. PVS Group manufactures and exports many kind of healthcare formulations like feed additives, feed supplements, probiotics, disinfectants, and antibiotics for all kinds of animals like cattle, sheep, goat, dog, camel, horse, swine, poultry. Also, it is known as a complete healthcare provider of prawn and fish care formulations. The company has plans to expand considerably in the coming years based on its R&D activities as well as market requirement. With their motto, Try and Trust, PVS Group heralds a new era in the domain of animal feed supplements. Their cutting-edge technology and state-of-the-art infrastructure have set up a manufacturing revolution that has never been seen before.